welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I am going to create this makeup look, guys. This is very gorgeous and the wedding guest makeup look, guys. And guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video you get notification, guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So guys, let's get started this video. Hey guys, first for the moisturizing my face I'm going to use this moisturizer, guys. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer. This is the Biotic whitening cream, guys, and I'm going to apply this. So guys, it is very thick cream, so it is good in winter. So if you have dry skin, then you can definitely try this one, guys. Next, guys, for the primer, here I'm using Blue Heaven primer, guys. It is a silicone based primer and it is oil free primer. So guys, I'm going to apply this primer on my pores area like nose and chin, guys. Next, I'm going to start with my eye makeup. So first, I'm going to fill my eyebrow using this palette, guys. I'm going to use this gray shade and I'm going to apply in my eyebrow. So guys, always comb your eyebrows so that your all over product spread evenly. Next, guys, I'm going to use this concealer. This is a Swiss Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 0 to Sand, and I just love this concealer. It is very high coverage concealer and very affordable. So first, I'm just cleaning my eyebrows using this concealer. So guys, first I'm going to use this concealer brush for spreading my concealer. And guys, this brush is very good. This is from Custom Lashes. You can definitely try this one. Next, for blending properly, I'm going to use this Inside Beauty blender, guys. This is very good blender, guys, and also it is very affordable. So guys, next, for setting my eyelid, I'm going to use this loose powder, guys. This is the Swiss Beauty loose powder. This is in the shade Banana, and I'm going to using a fluffy brush, and this brush is from Swiss Beauty. So guys, I'm going to set it. For removing the excess powder, I'm going to use this small eyeshadow brush, guys, and remove my excess powder. Next, I'm going to start off with the transition shade. For that, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow kit, guys, and always dust off the excess eyeshadow, guys. So guys, for clean eyeshadow look, I have applied sellotape outer corner of my eye. And next, guys, I'm going to apply this brown shade, which is my transition shade, in my outer corner. I'm slowly just blending it, and next I'm going to apply in my crease so that the color is blend very well. Next, guys, after blending this eyeshadow, I'm going to draw a cut crease. For that, guys, I'm going to take a concealer, the same concealer, Swiss Beauty one, and next I'm going to draw a cut crease using this Swiss Beauty concealer brush, guys. And guys, always apply a concealer little bit, and next you have to use your brush and then draw a cut crease. For my inner corner, I'm going to take this yellow shade, guys, and I'm going to apply in my inner corner. And guys, next, for the center of the lid, I'm going to use this orange shade, guys. This is very beautiful orange shade, guys. And guys, lastly, intensify the outer corner of my eyes. I'm taking this black shade and I'm going to apply the outer corner of my eyes, guys, and I'm just blending very well. Next, guys, I'm just taking the same brush for my transition shade and I'm going to apply it one more time so that my all color will blend properly. Next, guys, for intensify my outer corner, I'm just apply once again the black shade, and now I'm just removing the tape, and as you can see how sharp and beautiful it looks. After completing my eye look, next, for the foundation, I'm going to use this foundation. This is the Lakme one. This is in the shade Warm Natural, guys, and this is in the yellow undertone, so it is perfect match for my skin, guys. Next, for blending this foundation, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Kabuki brush, guys. And guys, always remember this, whenever you want a full coverage, then you should definitely blend your foundation using a brush, and whenever you want a natural and the seamless finish, then you have to use your beauty blender. So guys, this is the difference between the brush and the beauty blender. And guys, always apply your brush first in the dabbing motion and then drag downward direction so that your foundation will blend seamlessly. Next, for the concealer and highlighting my point, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer, guys. This is very creamy and the full coverage, guys. And one more thing, this is very affordable, guys. So I'm going to blend my concealer using this Cups and Lashes brush, guys. This is very good brush and this is the one time investment brush, guys. So you should definitely try this one. And guys, for seamless blending, I'm going to lastly running my beauty blender on it so that my all product will blend evenly. So guys, for setting my face, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty loose powder. This is in the shade 02 Banana. And first removing my crease and then setting with the loose powder. And guys, for setting my all over face, I'm going to use this brush. This is from Swiss Beauty and it is a powder brush, guys. So as you can see how instantly it brighten up my face just because it is a banana powder. Next, for the kajal, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Kohl, guys. This is very waterproof, smudge proof and at the same time very long lasting kajal. I'm going to apply in my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line. Next, for smudging my kajal, I'm going to use this purple shade and apply in my lower lash line and smudging this kajal. So as you can see how beautiful it looks. Next, for the liner, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty eyeliner. So guys, I'm just drawing a foxy eyeliner just because it goes with all your Indian outfit. So I'm just drawing a foxy eyeliner, guys. I just love this eyeliner look, guys. So you should definitely try this one. And guys, next I'm going to curling my lashes using a curler, and next I'm going to coat it with the mascara. For that, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty mascara, guys. It is a voluminous and the lengthening mascara, guys. You should definitely try this one just because, guys, it is very affordable. It is something 180 to 200 and I'm going to apply in my lower lash line also. Next, guys, for contouring my face and I'm going to use this contour kit, guys. This is the Wet n Wild contour kit, guys. And first I'm going to apply in my hollow of my cheeks and next mixing with my hairline so it look so natural. So guys, as you can see how beautiful it looks. This contour shade is perfect for my skin tone, guys. And guys, it is very blendable at the same time. It is not powdery at all, guys, and also its pigmentation is awesome. So I just love this contour kit, guys. In this makeup look, guys, I am just using my affordable at the same time my favorite makeup product, guys. So you should definitely try all these product and also never forget to contour your nose. It look very sharp and nice. Next, guys, I'm just running my beauty blender on it so that my all over product blend evenly and seamlessly. And guys, I'm going to use this banana powder for sharpening my contour. So guys, for the blush, I'm going to use this Stay Quirky blush. This is in the shade Pink Diva, and guys, it is a hell pigmented blush, guys. And also, guys, it is not a matte blush. It has a shimmer particle on it, so it will act like a blusher. So guys, for toning down your blush, you can use either your beauty blender or a brush. Here I'm using a brush and I'm going to blend my blush using this. Next, for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold, and guys, this is very bomb.com highlighter, and personally I just love this highlighter. It is very blendable at the same time. It has no chunky particle, and guys, also don't forget to highlight your inner corner and brow bone. It will look so nice. And always highlight your forehead, chin and the cheekbone and the nose so that it will look good. So guys, for the lipstick, here I'm using Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick, guys. This is in the shade Nude Nuance, and this is the perfect nude shade, guys. So guys, here is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do then please subscribe to my channel guys. It's mean a lot. Take care guys. Bye bye.